phase
facility?
one expansion of a three-phase build-out plan, master plan for the site, and we'll add somewhere around 450,000 wafers of capacity as we build out the capacity in this new shell.
Tell me how it fits into the global picture of chip manufacturing.
Look, I think what we have to realize that this is an industry that will double in the next 8 to 10 years. And that's independent of some of the macro issues we're seeing right now. I think that will settle down. And so it was going to require trillions of dollars of investment to create this kind of capacity around the world. And GlobalFoundries is doing its part. We're investing here in Singapore, in the U.S., and in our Dresden, Germany facility, and rounding out our global footprint. This is a key part of GF essentially increasing their output 1.6x when we compare 2020 output to 2024 output, when all our capacity was put online.
Now, Tom, this Singapore facility is going to be incredibly significant, but in terms of tool shortages that you have been facing, is that going to impact your ramp out of Singapore?
No, what you're referring to is the equipment companies are having some supply chain difficulties. They've pushed lead times out for tools, in some cases as much as 2 years. You know, we began planning and implementing this production facility in late 2020, early 2021. Essentially, we got online early in the process to order our tools. And so we feel confident that while there will be puts and takes when tools get delivered, that we'll be able to maintain the aggressive ramp up of this facility that we've committed the output to our customers.
Now, especially in terms of your customers, you're fully sold out for the next couple of years, but have you been seeing any impacts whatsoever from what we've seen in China of late in terms of the lockdowns and the demand side, or is it just smooth sailing, I suppose, for you, at least for the next 24 months when you're fully booked?
Yeah, well, I think it's something like this. We are seeing, and we talked about this at our earnings call earlier this year, that there's some softening in PC and the low-end handset market. We have very low exposure to those markets. It's less differentiated technology, and we specialize in high level of differentiation in our technology. But you also have to remember that we started the year with about 20% more demand than our ability to supply with capacity. And so, you know, it's a bit of a shock absorber to our business that if we do see some softening, it allows us to better meet the demand our customers have placed on us. So you could see softening, but at the same token, we still have more demand on us than we can deliver in capacity as we aggressively ramp our capability in our global footprint.